everyone, and welcome back. Today we're talking about something that's frustrating a lot of people right now, express entry. If you've been trying to immigrate to Canada through this system, you probably know that how tough it's getting to qualify. The points are going up, the competition is intense, and for many, it's starting to feel impossible. But don't worry. If express entry isn't working for you, there are other options. In the past, scoring around 450 to 470 points was enough to get an invitation. But today, well, we're seeing draws above 500 points, sometimes even higher. And that means even highly qualified professionals are struggling to meet the cutoff. Why is it getting harder? Well, for starters, more applications than ever. Canada is attracting skilled workers from all over the world, which means more competition. Also, higher cutoffs. With such large application pool, only the highest scoring candidates are being selected. While new draws are targeting specific industries, if you don't fit in one of those categories, you might be waiting for a very, very long time. So what if your comprehensive ranking system, also known as the CRS score, isn't high enough? Should you just give up? Well, of course not. There are other ways to make your Canadian immigration dream a reality. So let's talk about those options. Option 1, Provincial Nominee Program, also known as the PNPs. Some provinces are inviting candidates with lower CRS scores if they have skills that are in demand in their province. A PNP nomination adds a whopping 600 points to your express entry score, guaranteeing you an invitation. Provinces like Ontario, Alberta, and Saskatchewan are actively selecting candidates with work experience in high-demand fields. Option 2, Employer-sponsored work permits. If you secure a job offer from a Canadian employer, you may qualify for a work permit that can later lead to permanent residency. Certain programs like Global Talent Stream can even speed up your process. Option 3, Alternative PR pathways. If express entry isn't working for you, you can consider a caregiver program. If you have experience in childcare or senior care. Or what about the Agri-Food Pilot Project for those with farming or food processing experience? There's also something called the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Project. If you're open to living in a smaller community, this might be an option for you as well. So what is the takeaway? If express entry isn't working for you right now, don't get discouraged. Canada still needs skilled workers, but you may need to explore alternative pathways or adjust your strategy. Look into the PNP programs. See if a job offer can boost your chances. Consider lesser-known PR pathways. Every situation is unique, and finding the right path takes strategy. If you need help figuring out your best option, reach out. Let's get you on the right track to Canada. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.